All right, this is a large home, 4-bedroom, 2-car separate garage, central AC, solar water, and is in a nice HOA that has a pool and a small workout room, pickleball courts, etc. This is the primary bedroom. Come in, it's a large room. All the rooms have blinds on them. This has a ceiling fan, a large walk-in closet as you turn around here with the built-in shelving. Nice lighting in here. And as you turn around and go around, you get into your primary bathroom. It has dual vanity sinks, a step-in shower tub, separate toilet room, a large tub nobody ever uses, but it's there. Blinds on the windows. Then as you walk back out, you go over here to the bedroom in the center on the right side as you're walking out of the primary. Large room, built-in shelving in the cabinetry in the wall closet. Blinds on the window. All the rooms have ceiling fans. This has got a remote on this one. You got a guest bathroom here, dual sinks, tile flooring, separate toilet room, shower room, window and an exhaust fan. As you walk around, you go across the hallway into another bedroom. It has a ceiling fan with a remote, carpet in all the upstairs from the stairs up, blinds on the window, ceiling fan, and a closet, normal size closet with a shelf on top. As you turn around here, you come into your final bedroom on the left. It's a larger bedroom. It has a pull chain ceiling fan, 4 windows, plenty of light, and each window has blinds. And you got a regular closet here. You got a little nook here. And then out here, what a lot of people like for kids is you got some desk area for an office or kids schooling or whatever. Got 2 desks. Both are the same. Blinds, plenty of lighting. And a cabinet storage here. Let me get a better picture of the cabinet, the shelves and desk. They're identical, they're just one's left, one's right. And as you walk downstairs, you got at the bottom of the stairs, you got a half bath downstairs for guests that visit or something. It's just a portable sink, toilet, a window that doesn't open, and that's it. Pedestal sink. You come out, you got a large front door here with a Ring doorbell. This is kind of a living room. 4 large windows with plenty of lighting and a light fixture there and 2 recessed lighting here. You have a AC thermometer gauge, temperature gauge. It works good. I got it cooling down now. In here is kind of a playroom off the kitchen. Large windows, ceiling fan, pull chain, hardwood floors, vinyl hardwood floors downstairs. And over here is your kitchen and dining room area. Look at the dining room. You got a screen security door here and a regular door. You got blinds on all the windows, a light fixture. And then over here, you have kitchen aisle with a dishwasher, sink with a disposal, stovetop and a oven, a microwave, plenty of cabinets. You got your refrigerator and pantry over here. And in here you have a laundry room separated. It's a washer and dryer, your fuse box, and this is your cable internet box here. And you have a window behind the door. Then we'll go out and look at the garage real quick. You do have a fenced-in backyard. Large lanai here, porch off of your main entry, your back entry. You can have a gate on this side. Doesn't get used very often. And then there's a gate on that side where the trash cans are. And over here you just have your grass area, and you have the AC and water heaters are back there on the right, on the left. And then here's your 2-car garage with an extra room on it. You can use as a workroom or whatever. So here's your work area, window, lights, storage above. And then it parks 2-car garage. This is my truck. I don't have it in, all right, but I could park it in here if I needed to. And that's the house at 2098 Comic-Con. It's ready for move-in now. A few things we got to do, but that's pretty easy. So hope you contact us with that soon. Aloha.